How to log into Paycor account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Paycor login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one website option, Paycor Secure Access Employee Login. With that, you will be directed to the official website. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Paycor account's credentials. Firstly, type in the username, then type in the password. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it, or also you can use SSO to log into your account. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of Register here and create your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into your Paycor account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.